now we will show that the second condition of this problem, which is when in a trapezium the line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides is half of the sum of the parallel sides. A very simple result. Again, the second condition. For that we need to consider a trapezium ABCD. Let this is a trapezium ABCD. All these pointers A, B, C and D. So let A, B, C, D be a trapezium. So now, so we already proved that this the line joining midpoints of the non-parallel sides. The line joining midpoints of the non-parallel sides. So suppose consider this XY is the line joining midpoints of the non-parallel sides is parallel to the remaining two parallel sides. That is XY is parallel to BC or XY is parallel to AD. So it already proved, correct alla? So now we want to show that the second condition, this line segment, line joining the midpoint of the non-parallel sides is half of that of the sum of the two parallel sides, which means that we need to prove that XY, the line joining midpoints of the non-parallel sides, is equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides. What are the parallel sides in this trapezium? AD and BC. So now we want to show that XY is equal to half of 1/2 times of sum of the two parallel sides. So that is sum of AD and BC. Sum of AD and BC. So we need to prove that XY is equal to 1/2 times of AD plus BC. Okay. So now for that we can make use of the construction method. So what it says, construction says that now join these 2 points AC. Join A and C. Join A and C. So now AC becomes the new line segment in this trapezium. Call this point as some P. That is the rotation. Now we need to prove that XY is equal to 1/2 times of AD plus BC. Now, so after joining these 2 points, this trapezium will become 2 triangles. One is triangle ABC and the other one is triangle ADC. So now first consider the triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC after joining A and C. Now in triangle ABC, so clearly AX is equal to XB, which is the given condition. AX is equal to XB, so which is the given condition. Why it is given condition? They already told that the line joining midpoints of the non-parallel sides. So X is the midpoint of AB and hence AX is same as XB. So now we need to show that this length XP is half of BC. We need to show that this length XP, the line segment XP, is equal to 1/2 times of BC. So for that we consider the triangle ABC since AX is equal to XB. Once AX is equal to XB, so we know that AP is equal to PC as well. Why AP is equal to PC? Because we know that the converse of the midpoint theorem says that if the line through the midpoint of the one side of a triangle and which is parallel to the other side of the triangle, which is bisect the third side of the triangle, and hence this P will become midpoint of AC. Once P become midpoint of AC by converse of midpoint theorem, so AP is equal to PC, because by the converse of midpoint theorem. So from this we can write AP is equal to PC, and also XP is parallel to BC. XP is parallel to BC, which implies XP is equal to half of the times of the parallel side BC. So call it as equation number 1. So XP is equal to 1/2 times of BC. So again, which is midpoint theorem. So now similarly, now consider the triangle ADC. Consider the triangle ADC. Again with the same conditions as we did in the first case. we can use converse of midpoint theorem. Again, if dy is equal to yc, so clearly given that dy is equal to yc. Why dy is equal to yc? Because y is the midpoint of DC. Once y is the midpoint of DC, so this length and this length both are equal. Dy is equal to yc. And also by converse of midpoint theorem, by converse of midpoint theorem, you can write this Py is half of that of AD. Py is half of that of AD or D. So call it as equation number 2. Now to show that xy is equal to 1 by 2 times of AD plus BC, just adding equation 1 and 2. So now from 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, and also adding 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get how to add two equation mathematics. So LHS plus LHS is equal to RHS plus RHS. Now what is the LHS in both the equations? XP and PY. Now adding 2 means XP plus PY. LHS plus LHS in both the equations is equal to RHS plus RHS in both the equations. What is the RHS side? 1 by 2 BC. 1 by 2 BC plus, what is RHS in equation 2? 1 by 2 AD. 1 by 2 AD. So now taking 1 by 2 as the common factor. So 1 by 2 times of BC plus AD. So now what is XP plus PY? XP plus PY, which is equal to XY. So XY is equal to 1 by 2 times of AD plus BC or BC plus AD. So which is the required proof of this second condition. Thank you.